Welcome back. Ever wish you could fast forward to a stronger, leaner you? In just 4 weeks, you can make it happen. No gimmicks, just commitment. Here's the plan. Daily exercises, smart nutrition, and relentless focus. Consistency is king. Show up every day. Fuel your body with whole foods and plenty of water. Mindset matters most. Be stronger than your excuses. These 3 rules, consistency, nutrition, focus, are your foundation. Commit for 4 weeks and your body will transform. The power is in your hands, starting now. Ready to build a better you? Let's dive in. 1 rep at a time, let's get started. First up, the squat, the king of lower body moves. Squats build your legs, core, and balance, firing up your metabolism. Stand shoulder width apart, chest up, back straight, and squat as if sitting in a chair. Drive through your heels, keep knees over feet, and squeeze your glutes at the top. Your challenge, 50 squats daily, broken into sets if needed. Perfect form is key, quality over speed. By week 4, 50 squats will feel easy. This daily discipline builds strength and mental toughness. Next, the plank, your core's ultimate test. Planks work your abs, obliques and deep core, plus shoulders and back. Start on forearms, elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line. Engage your core, squeeze glutes, and don't let hips sag. Hold for 60 seconds daily. Can't do a minute? Break it up until you hit 60 seconds. As you get stronger, hold longer without stopping. Try side planks for variety. 1 minute a day builds a rock-solid core. Now push-ups, the classic upper body builder. Push-ups hit chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Hands just wider than shoulders, body straight, elbows at 45 degrees. Lower until your chest nearly touches the floor, then press up. Your goal, 25 push-ups daily. Break into sets if needed. Start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups if necessary. Add a rep each day for progress. Watch your upper body strength soar. Time to torch calories. Grab a jump rope. 10 minutes of jumping rope equals 30 minutes of jogging. Keep jumps low, rotate from the wrists, and stay relaxed. Find your rhythm. It's about consistency, not height. Jump for 10 minutes daily. Use intervals if needed. As stamina grows, reduce rest. Focus on soft landings and balance. This daily cardio will skyrocket your endurance and burn fat. Next, lunge is essential for balance and single leg strength. Step forward, lower until both knees are at 90 degrees, then push back. Keep your chest up and core engaged. Don't let your front knee go past your toes. Do 20 lunges per leg daily, quality over speed. Try reverse lunges or walking lunges for variety. This move corrects imbalances and sculpts your legs. Consistency here means stronger, more stable legs. Burpees, the ultimate full body challenge. Squat, plank, push-up, jump, one explosive movement. Burpees test strength, endurance, and willpower. Do 15 burpees daily, focusing on fluid-controlled motion. Push for explosiveness, not just speed. This high-intensity move torches calories and builds grit. Embrace the burn. It's making you stronger. Burpees are your daily test of mental and physical toughness. Jumping jacks, simple, effective, and classic. Jump feet out, arms overhead, then return to start. Keep a steady pace and soft knees. 3 minutes straight every day. Use as warm-up, active recovery, or finisher. Builds stamina, coordination, and burns calories. No equipment needed, just move. Consistency here boosts your cardio base. Finish strong with lying hip raises. Glute bridges. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Squeeze glutes to lift hips, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold at the top, then lower with control. Do 30 reps daily, focusing on glute activation. This move strengthens your posterior chain and improves posture. Great for counteracting sitting and preventing back pain. End each workout with this for balance and power. That's your 4-week transformation plan. No equipment, just effort. Show up daily, eat well, hydrate, and get quality sleep. Commit for 4 weeks and watch your body change. Which exercise will challenge you most? Let us know in the comments. Start today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips. Thanks for watching. Your transformation starts now. See you in the next video.